What's up guys, this is Sean from Mark's Motorsports, and in front of me today I have two 2022 Sea-Doo Sparks. This unit we have in front of me right here, this particular unit is a 3-up, so you can actually tow somebody, tubing, skiing, anything you want to do. And this machine also comes with sound and a front compartment that is sealable. Both these machines are 90 horsepower, and both of them have the I-bar, which is intelligent braking in reverse. The hulls are POLYTEC hull construction, which is scratch resistant, better than fiberglass, takes the hit better, it's lighter. These have the BRP auto, the sound system, which absolutely cranks when you're out on the water. So now I'll show you the difference between the regular SPARK 3-up and a TRIXX 3-up. So as you can see, like I said before, both these machines are equipped with sound. You can get these machines with or without sound, it's up to you. The TRIXX has a more motocross style handlebar to it for more aggressive riding, and as you can see, it doesn't have the storage compartment from the factory installed on it, so the water can come through when you're doing wheelies or doing whatever you're doing with it. But it is available as an option to be able to put it on a TRIXX unit. And if you notice too, on the TRIXX they have these footwells with the heel guards, so it allow you to be able to lift the machine up and have the most fun you can possibly have during the summer. And you'll notice right here on the left there's this little access port. This is to check your oil. Very simple. And then right on the back of the seat, right behind the grab rails, you take your seat off. And this is where you put your gas in. There's a fire extinguisher holder and your Coast Guard kit. Everything's nice and from the factory, and it can bolt right in there. To clip right in, actually not bolt in, but clip right in, and you're good to go for the whole day ride. So give us a call at 860-741-5115 or go to marksmotorsports.com to see every unit that we have in stock, ready to go. And I hope to talk to you guys soon.